Today, I want to teach three important demos according to coordinate geometry, trigonometry, and limits. The first problem is trigonometry. The first problem gives, that is, if secant theta plus tan theta equal to 5, if secant theta plus tan theta equal to 5, what is the value of cos theta? If secant theta plus tan theta equal to 5, what is the value of cos theta? We know from the identities, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Already we know the important identities, whatever it may be, if theta is any real number, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Similarly, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This is an identity where theta belongs to any real number. Now, it is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A minus b. That equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 means secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. This means the product of two numbers equal to 1. If the product of two numbers equal to 1, they are called reciprocal to each other. If the product of two numbers equal to 1, they are called reciprocal to each other. Therefore, secant theta minus tan theta equal to reciprocal means 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. That means 1 by 5. That is given value. Once again, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This is an identity where theta belongs to any real number. Now we can completing secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. This is in the form a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. The product of two numbers equal to 1 means they are reciprocal to each other. They are inverses to each other. Therefore, secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. That is already given, that is 1 by 5. Now we have two equations. Therefore, the first equation is secant theta plus tan theta equal to 5. And the second equation is secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by 5. Now we can add two equations. We can add in two equations. Tan theta is cancelled. 2 secant theta equal to 5 plus 1 by 5, that is 26 by 5. 2 secant theta equal to 26 by 5. This means secant theta equal to 13 by 5, and hence cos theta equal to, that is the required given required value, 5 by 13 is the required answer. Once again, adding the two equations, secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta minus tan theta. Tan theta is cancelled. Now the 2 secant theta equal to 5 plus 1 by 5, that is 26 by 5. 2 secant theta equal to 26 by 5, secant theta equal to 13 by 5. Cos theta is the reverse of secant geometry, that means cos theta is the reciprocal, that means 5 by 13 is the required answer. Now the given problem, secant theta plus tan theta equal to 5, then cos theta equal to 5 by 13. Circle with the center 2, 3, find the equation of circle with the center 2, 3 and touches the line (3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0). Find the equation of circle with center 2, 3, with the center 2, 3 and touches the line 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. The solution, given this is a circle having the center 2, 3. Center is 2, 3. Now the circle touches a line. This is the line 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. The circle having center 2, 3 and touches the line 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 like this. Clearly, this is a point of contact. Suppose P is a point of contact of circle and the line. That P is a point of contact of circle and the line. Clearly, if we connect in C to P, that is nothing but radius. that is nothing but radius. So that means radius equal to CP. CP means perpendicular distance from center to line. Radius equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. Radius equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. That is nothing but radius and CP. So we equal to first one radius, R equal to CP, that equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. What is the formula for perpendicular distance? From x1, y1, if x1, y1 is a point, x1, y1 is a point, and the given line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, the perpendicular distance is given by perpendicular distance d equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Modulus gives the positive value because the length and distance is always positive. So from this problem, perpendicular distance from center to the line means radius equal to from 2 comma 3 to 3x plus 4y plus 7. 2 comma 3 is x1 y1. 2 comma 3 is x1 y1. Here a equal to 3, b equal to 4, c equal to 7. A equal to 3, b equal to 4, c equal to 7. Now applying the formula ax1 2 into 3 plus by1 3 into 4 plus 7 by root of a square plus b square. A square means 3 square, b square means 4 square. Once again, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. This value is 6 plus 12 plus 7 divided by 5. 18 plus 7, 25 by 5, that is radius equal to 5 units. Radius equal to 5 units. Once again, center is 2 comma 3 and we have radius equal to r equal to the perpendicular distance from center to the line. That is nothing but r equal to 5. Now center 2 comma 3, radius 5. We can easily get the equation of the circle. Therefore center equal to 2 comma 3 and radius equal to 5 implies equation of circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square, where AB is center, Here AB is center, A equal to 2, B equal to 3. Now the required value is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 5 square. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to 25. Therefore, the equation of circle is given by x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. The constant is 4 plus 9, 13. 13 minus 25 minus 12 equal to 0. That is the required equation of the circle having center 2, 3 and radius 5. Right? The third problem is from limits. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, x sin x by 1 minus cos 2x. Limit x tends to 0, x sin x by 1 minus cos 2x. Before going to the problem, first we can take the formula according to the limits basic one. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. This value is given by limit x tends to 0, 1 by x into, what is the value of sin x? Sin x means by Taylor's series, sin x, x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus and so on infinity. That means limit x tends to 0 dividing by x, 1 minus x square by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 5 factorial minus x power 6 by 7 factorial and so on infinity. That means 1 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus 0 and so on. That is equal to the value is 1. That means limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. This is the main fundamental formula. That is the proof according to the formula. Now we can apply the formula in this problem. That is means limit x tends to 0. The given problem is x sin x by 1 minus cos 2x. Now we can divide in the numerator and denominator with x square. We can divide in the numerator and denominator with x square. Dividing by numerator divided with x square, x sin x by x square divided by 1 minus cos 2x by x square. First you can divide in numerator and denominator with x square. Now limit x tends to 0. Numerator is sin x by x. Denominator is 1 minus cos 2x. From the trigonometry, 1 minus cos 2x means 2 sin square x by x square. 2 sin square x by x square. Now, the limit is given from f of x by g of x model. Limit x tends to 0, f of x by g of x. There is a formula in basic limits, that is limit x tends to a, f of x by g of x equal to limit x tends to a, f of x by limit x tends to a, g of x, where f of 0 not equal to 0 and g of 0 not equal to 0. Because individually numerator and denominator, they are not equal to 0. That's why we can distribute like this. Limit x tends to 0, the numerator is sin x by x and the denominator is 2 into limit x tends to 0, sin square x by x square. Sin square x by x square means sin x by x whole square. Now, according to that formula, the numerator is 1 by 2 into 1 square. The final result is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the limit of the main function. For evaluation, limit x tends to 0, x sin x by 1 minus cos 2x. That's value is given by 1 by 2. Once again, dividing the numerator and denominator with x square. First we dividing the numerator and denominator with x square. Now x cancel, the numerator becomes sin x by x. The denominator means 1 minus cos 2x means 2 sin square x by x square. Now splitting the limits from numerator denominator individually, splitting the limits into numerator and denominator individually, because that is the formula. Limit x tends to a, f of x by g of x equal to limit x tends to a, f of x by limit x tends to a, g of x, where numerator and denominator does not equals to 0 individually. Now this means that this value is 1. This is 2 into 1 square. That is the final answer is 1 by 2. This is the value of the limit of given function. Right.